Hey, it's Gary Peavy at Wealth Design Group here in beautiful Sacramento. And for all of you real estate investors and wannabe real estate investors, listen up to what I've got to share with you today. If you are a real estate investor, there's really only two things you need to own. You don't need retirement accounts. You don't need IRAs, 401ks, all those things they tell you. If you're a real estate investor, the only two things you need. You need real estate and you need cash value life insurance. Now you may go, why do I want cash value life insurance? So let's think about that for a second. If you're going to go buy and want to get a pool of houses, where do you get your down payment? You need to have a source of money for the down payment. That happens to be the cash value of your life insurance policy. So you got to get that thing started and build up the cash value where you can borrow against your policy from the life insurance company. It won't affect your credit. And you'll be able to get that and put that as a down payment on those rental properties. And you just keep building it and you keep building it. Now here's one of the problems. If you own real estate and you die, somebody is still obligated on the mortgage, aren't they? Absolutely they are. Somebody's going to. And if the real estate is a good investment for you, it's a good investment for the next generation, for your kids. Okay? But we need to handle that mortgage because no debt should last longer than the person who created it. So what are we going to do? We've got it with a life insurance policy, we've got a death benefit. When you die, death benefit comes in tax-free to your beneficiaries and they decide, what should we do? Should we actually go pay off these mortgages or should we keep them leveraged and go buy some more? So if you are a real estate investor, if you want to be a real estate investor, you got to start now. You got to build up this cash value life insurance policy so that you will have this piece in your portfolio forever. And then go out and do this. Don't go chasing market returns in the investment accounts. If this is what you love, this is what you should do. And if you need some help, come see us. We'd be glad to walk you through how it'll actually fit for you. Thanks for joining us.